Welcome to the first video. In this class, I'll show you how you can prepare your files in Illustrator before you bringing it in Adobe After Effects for animation. Let's jump right in. Here is my storyboards. As you can see, it's a fall vacation. Everything is nicely designed and laid out. Right now, they are on two separate artboards. So what we need to do is we need to go to File and then click Save As. And then we can change the file name to storyboard. We can rename it to 01 or just 1. Click Save. And here's the panel that's very important. We need to click on this save each artboard to a separate file. So basically we need these two artboards to be saved separately and click on OK. And then let's go back to the folder. We can see we got two separate files for these two artboards. Let's just click on the first one. So here's the first storyboard. Before we bring it into After Effects, in order to have all the layers to be separated, we need to do one thing. So basically we need to go to the layers panel, and then if you don't have the layer panel on the right hand side, it's under Windows, and then click on layer and then go to this top right corner, this icon here, click on this release to layers sequence. So what it does is it created a separate layer for all these different objects. And we just need to select all these objects and bring it out of the master layer. And then we can delete the master layer because we don't need it anymore. So now we have all these different shapes on its own separate layer. So when we bring the files into Adobe After Effects is gonna keep all these layers separated instead of having just a flat layer with all the elements. So this is very important. It will allow us to animate things individually. As you can see here, as I click through these eye icons, these are the different layers that we have. So now let's do the same thing for the second storyboard. Just open it, and then we can go to layers, click on the master layer here, and then click on the icon release to layers sequence. And then we can select all the layers within, just bring them out of the master layer, layer 1, and then we can delete the layer 1 because it's empty now. So now you can see all these different shapes are on its own layers now. Now let's save it. So basically this is what you need to do before you bring the files into Adobe After Effects. Let's move on to the next video.